Hello everyone, I'm Srivatsa and I'm the fund manager for the UTI Core Equity Fund. UTI Core Equity Fund is a large and mid cap fund under the SEBI category, wherein the allocation towards large cap is 35% and mid cap is minimum 35%. However, as part of our fund strategy, our large cap is essentially between 50-55%, mid cap is between 35 to 40%, and small cap is capped at 10%. Coming on to the strategy of the fund is managed with a distinct relative value bias, wherein we try to pick up very good quality stocks trading below their intrinsic worth. In terms of large caps, our focus is essentially to identify good quality large cap stocks which are trading at a good discount to their longer term history or relative to the markets. We also tend to look at cyclicals because they are a very important source of value. Lastly, we also look at small caps, essentially growth oriented small cap stocks, where we believe these could be undervalued given the lack of coverage by the markets. Coming on to the sectoral allocation, we are positive on industrials, information technology, telecom, and automobiles, while being underweight on consumer and financial services, or overweight on automobiles, industrials, as well as telecom is premised on a significant recovery of growth in the domestic markets. And we continue to back these sectors because we believe the valuations are very attractive as well as they offer reasonably sound growth prospects. Our underweight in consumer is largely on the back of very high valuations across the sector, and we would be open to looking at it if the valuations were to correct. We are very moderately underweight on financial services. However, within that, we are quite positive on banking and would look to increase our stake in banking. In terms of our fresh allocations in the last couple of months, we have added exposures both in telecom as well as in banking. In case of telecom, our buy is premised on the fact that we are seeing increasing signs of consolidation in the sector and valuations do not reflect this. And we believe the sector is also a beneficiary of a resumption of growth in the domestic economy. In case of banks, we do believe that the worst is over as far as a banking sector is concerned. They should start seeing the resumption of growth in the coming years, and also the credit quality issues both on the corporate side as well as on the retail side would be behind it. And most of the large cap banks in our portfolio are very well capitalized to take the growth. Overall, our portfolio is largely premised on a recovery in the domestic economy, and we would also look for more ideas in this particular space as and when it becomes available. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.